Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be fitting on my lovely Clio the rear lights that are in the box right there. So I've been teasing you today, if you've looked at my Snapchat or Instagram or anything like that, I put in there sort of asking people what they think the rear lights are, because we are changing the rear lights that are in this mystery box right here that I teased in my last video. So we're going to be fitting them. I just want to move my car in a little bit closer because it is so hot today. I've just had an ice cream to cool myself down a little bit, but it's so goddamn hot, so we're just going to pull her in a little bit more, a little bit closer. I'm going to use my tyre to film, and yeah, we're going to get fitting these beauties. I'm so excited to get on for tomorrow, because remember I'm going to Haynes. This video is going to be out on Sunday evening, but yes, I will be there in this beauty. We've just cleaned the inside, taken all my rubbish out of it, but we do need to obviously wash the outside later, because yeah, it's more like a dusty cut than a black gold cut. Yeah, I've got to wait till the sun goes down for that, and then we'll clean her up as best as we can tonight. I will have to clean Emily's car as well, but I got my new Maguire's Wash and Wax and all the other products. And so getting straight into it, because obviously this is going to be quite a short video, but to remove your rear lights, it is the easiest thing in the world. You've got this little piece on the inside that you need to start unscrewing, which will loosen up the headlight, and that is all that is holding it on, if you don't know. Yeah, it's the easiest thing in the world. But yeah, we just need to take, I'm going to take this one out first of all, leave that one in, and show you a comparison of what they look like before and after. But yeah. Oh, I'm well excited to get these on. Probably one of the easiest videos I've done, but hopefully you guys appreciate what I've bought, because wow, I'm happy about it. So you guys are too. So once you pull the headlight out, you got to wiggle the wires a little bit with it, just a clip at the back. You just need to squeeze the clip, so pushing this part up, and then it will all pull out. Just a nice simple clip. Right. Ah, goodbye, thanks for playing. So with them out, it might be a good time for me just to get just a small bit of soapy water and clean around all this inside jazz before I fit the new headlight. Just giving it a wash, and I even waxed and polished it, to be fair. Just give it a quick go over. Light style. Just give it a quick go over, just because all these little bits in here, you can see them, but they are quite hard to get to, so you might as well wash, wax and make it look pretty before putting the next light on. So I'm just going to put the new rear lights on. So. And voila! Yay! So, oh, good start. So it does also come with the spinny thing at the back, so you don't need to keep your own, which is perfect. But these, I have got these second hand. These came off Reese's car. If you don't know, it's Reese Webber on Instagram. He originally got this from JMRS. As soon as he got them in, like instantly, he said, right, I want them in mine. So he had them on his 1.2 rep, but as soon as he got rid of the black rep, he said, if I want them, he can, because he bought a blue one. So, but with a darker outline that runs around, it sort of suits the black cars better. So I'm well happy that I got these off him. But exactly the same process, just plug it in and off we go. So. Also, I think James had to do a lot of rewiring on these for Reese, so it's a little bit more wiring to tuck in behind that. Oh yeah! So let's get a view of the back of it with both do different. I really like him. I think it does look a little bit funny when there's one of each on, but I just like all the black outlines. Blends it in nice with the black car. So that's both done. Bring them in. Oh, I just think it look cool. As always though, exactly the same in the front. I do need to get either the silver tech that I keep getting recommended, or there's like a bubble looking colour one that's sort of like multicoloured, but other than orange it needs to change on these and on the front. So but yeah, decent. Obviously lastly we need to do the light test, but another thing I really like about these is, compared to these beauties is the inside is black rather than this funny off red. So I think it just makes it look clean. Like I said, the black outline is the main bit that does it for me. But yeah, well happy with these. But yeah, obviously we need to do a light test, so I'm going to turn the key and I'm going to take that little brake plug out, so it just leaves the brake lights on constantly. So I check that the brake lights are working. Decent. Forget about the cut brake light, still not working. Decent. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Like I said, it's really short and sweet. Not really much happening, but hopefully you like this purchase of mine, which I'm pretty happy with, because it does just change up the back end of the car a little bit, takes it away from that sort of standard look and away from how the other Mark II's look. But yeah, write in the comments down below if you like these headlights. I know that a lot of people like the phase 1 headlights, people just go with the standard ones and maybe make them a bit darker and stuff like that, which I think looks quite cool as well. But I thought I'd just change them out, and if I don't like them, I can always take them back off and sell them and put these bad boys back on. So yeah, happy with that. Like I said, just got to clean the car this evening, and then we're off to Haynes in the early hours of tomorrow. So if you are there, I will have seen you, but this video will come out in the evening after. But I need to give this baby a good old clean, because it's not been cleaned in nearly a month now, which I'm a little bit embarrassed about, but I didn't actually have any stuff to clean it, which sounds horrendous, because I wasn't at my parents anymore. I'm in my own house, so yes. See you next time.